Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change country in Dude Theft Wars. To change your country or your region in Dude Theft Wars, first of all launch open Dude Theft Wars game on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once it does, click on the multiplayer option from the right hand side menu, and then after it connects to a server, go to the top left corner and right in front of the back button, you will see your country reflected. Tap on it and select a different country or server from the list. After you do that, you have now successfully changed your country or your server in Dude Theft Wars. You can now go ahead and join in a private match or perform a quick play and start finding the match. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.